Welcome to our guide on the top 7 best hair clippers for men in 2024. Whether you're a professional barber or someone who prefers to groom at home, having the right hair clippers can make all the difference. Today, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and design of each top pick to help you find the perfect tool for your grooming needs. Let's get started. Number 1. Cordless hair clippers for men, professional kit with LCD display. These cordless hair clippers stand out with their sleek design and advanced features. The professional kit includes multiple attachments and a durable carrying case, making it versatile for various haircuts and styles. The LCD display is a notable feature, providing real-time information on battery life and clipper speed, which adds a layer of convenience and precision to your grooming routine. The quality of these clippers is evident in their high-performance motor, which ensures a smooth and efficient cut every time. The cordless functionality allows for greater maneuverability, eliminating the constraints of a cord and making it easier to reach all areas of the head. The ergonomic design of the clippers fits comfortably in hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Durability is a strong point, with high-grade stainless steel blades that remain sharp and effective over time. These clippers are also easy to clean, with removable blades that can be washed separately. Overall, this professional kit offers a blend of style, functionality, and reliability, making it a top choice for both home and salon use.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
GLAKER cordless hair clippers, 2-in-1 trimmer with turbo motor. The GLAKER cordless hair clippers bring innovation to grooming with their 2-in-1 design. Featuring a turbo motor, these clippers deliver impressive power, ensuring a clean and precise cut with every use. The 2-in-1 functionality includes both a hair clipper and a beard trimmer, making it a versatile tool for various grooming needs. The design of these clippers is both modern and practical, with a sleek, ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip. The cordless feature offers freedom of movement, while the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance without the hassle of cords. The turbo motor adds extra efficiency, especially useful for thick or coarse hair. In terms of durability, the GLAKER clippers are built to last, with high-quality blades that maintain their sharpness and performance over time. The clippers come with multiple attachments and adjustable settings, allowing for customized haircuts and trims. Easy to clean and maintain, these clippers are a great choice for those seeking a powerful, versatile grooming tool. Number 3. Wahl Lithium-Ion Pro Clippers, Rechargeable Cord/Cordless Kit. Wahl is a well-respected name in the grooming industry, and their Lithium-Ion Pro clippers live up to the brand's reputation. This rechargeable cord/cordless kit combines the convenience of cordless operation with the reliability of corded use when needed. The lithium-ion battery provides extended run time, allowing for multiple haircuts on a single charge. The design of these clippers features a robust, ergonomic handle that ensures a comfortable grip and reduces hand strain. The powerful motor delivers a consistent and precise cut, while the high-quality blades are designed to stay sharp for extended periods. The kit includes various guide combs and attachments, offering versatility for different hairstyles and lengths. Durability is a key feature, with the Wahl clippers constructed from high-grade materials that withstand regular use. The dual functionality of corded and cordless operation adds to their practicality, making them suitable for both professional and home use. Easy to clean and maintain, these clippers are a reliable choice for any grooming routine. Number 4. FADEKING Cordless Hair Clippers, Professional with LCD Display. FADEKING cordless hair clippers are designed with professionals in mind, offering a combination of functionality and style. The built-in LCD display provides real-time updates on battery life and motor speed, ensuring you are always aware of your clipper's performance. This feature enhances precision and control during use. The clippers feature a powerful motor and high-quality stainless steel blades that ensure a smooth, clean cut. The cordless design offers greater flexibility, allowing you to move freely and reach all areas of the head without being restricted by a cord. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, even during extended grooming sessions. Durability is a significant advantage, with the clippers built to withstand daily use. The design also includes a range of attachments and adjustable settings, providing versatility for various hairstyles. The LCD display and high-performance motor make these clippers a top choice for both professional barbers and home users seeking a reliable grooming tool. Number 5. High-performance cordless hair clippers, rechargeable with LED display. The high-performance cordless hair clippers stand out with their advanced features and sleek design. The LED display is a key highlight, offering clear information on battery life and operational status. This feature allows for precise management of your grooming sessions and ensures that you are never caught off guard by a low battery. These clippers are equipped with a powerful motor that delivers a smooth and efficient cut. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, making it easy to maneuver around the head and achieve the desired style. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The quality of the blades is excellent, with stainless steel components that maintain sharpness and effectiveness over time. The clippers are also easy to clean and maintain, with removable blades that can be washed separately. With a durable construction and advanced features, these clippers are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance grooming tool. Number 6. Zero-gapped cordless hair clippers for men, professional gold trimmer. The zero-gapped cordless hair clippers for men are designed to offer precision and style. The professional gold trimmer features a striking design that not only looks impressive, but also delivers exceptional performance. The zero-gapped blades are perfect for achieving close, precise cuts and detailed trims. The clippers are equipped with a powerful motor that ensures consistent performance and efficiency. The cordless design offers freedom of movement, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during long grooming sessions. The gold finish adds a touch of luxury to the design, making these clippers both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Durability is a strong point, with high-quality materials that ensure the clippers remain effective and reliable over time. The zero-gapped blades are particularly useful for detailed work, such as shaping and fading. Easy to clean and maintain, these clippers are an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a high-quality grooming tool. Number 7. NOVAH Professional Hair Clippers, Cordless Barber Kit for Men. The NOVAH Professional Hair Clippers offer a complete barber kit experience with their versatile and high-performance design. The cordless feature provides flexibility and ease of use, allowing you to move freely and achieve a variety of styles without the constraints of a cord. The kit includes multiple attachments and guide combs, making it suitable for various haircuts and grooming needs. The clippers are designed with a powerful motor that ensures a smooth and precise cut, while the high-quality blades maintain their sharpness and effectiveness over time. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, reducing hand strain during extended use. The overall design is both functional and stylish, making it a great addition to any grooming routine. Durability is a key feature, with the clippers constructed from robust materials that withstand regular use. The cordless functionality and comprehensive kit make these clippers an excellent choice for both professional barbers and home users. With their combination of power, versatility, and style, the NOVAH Professional Hair Clippers are a top pick for anyone looking to elevate their grooming game. And that wraps up our guide to the top 7 best hair clippers for men in 2024. We hope this review helps you find the perfect tool to meet your grooming needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.